number 32.
32.
So children, open page number 32. So in last class we discussed about the number keys, alphabet keys, and next some special keys. In that I explain you about the spacebar key. Okay, so I just show you the number keys here. Okay, so total how many number keys are there? Yes, they are
20.
Yes, they are 20 in number. Okay, so see here, this is the keyboard. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just I will show you here. Just listen, children. See here, upside is a number keys.
Yes, ma'am.
So count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10 because this is a 0. This is also an number. This 10 and here there are 10. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. That is your 0. So total they are this 10 and this 10. Total how much? 10 plus 10?
20.
Yes. Yes. So there are 20 number keys are there on our keyboard. Also no. And we are using this number key for typing the numbers. That's why the numbers are written on them. See there are the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are using this keys for typing the numbers. Okay. Next comes about alphabet keys. Total how many alphabet keys are there?
26.
They are 26. See here. Here they are written this alphabets here. So we'll count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and this is 26. Is there 26?
Yes, ma'am.
See, all it is from A to Z.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
They are not in order, but they are from A to Z. Yes or no? They are not written as a ABCD, but they are written in a jumble form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is about your keyboard. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is about your alphabet keys, number keys and alphabet keys, and we are using this alphabet keys to type the spellings, or you can type the words because you are using the type the words. We are using this alphabet. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हुआ? किसको नहीं दिख रहा है? Okay. So next, there are special keys. In that, I explain you about the space bar. See here. This is a space bar key. Is the longest. Yes, this is the longest key, right? See here. This is the long key on your keyboard. So spacebar key is the longest key. Why we are using the spacebar key? Yes, to give the space between the two words, we are using this spacebar key. Next comes about your enter key. So see here, this is the enter key. There is one enter key, one more it is there here. One is here, one is here. There are two enter keys. So no.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is one and this is another one. Okay. This key is used to start a new line. When one line it is finished or you want a next line. Okay. That time what we have to do? You have to use this enter key to go to the next line. Okay. See, a keyboard has a two enter keys. So no, is there two? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there are two enter keys. Some keyboards, the enter key is of the shape. In some keyboard, the shape of the enter key is different. See, I shown you one keyboard. In that, what is the shape of the enter key here? What is the shape of this enter keys?
Triangle.
Is it triangle?
Triangle. Rectangle.
Yes, it is an rectangle. Both keys are in the form of a rectangle. But in some keyboard, the enter key will be in this shape. They already given here the shape here, drawn here. Okay. This will be the shape of the enter key in some computers. Okay. Okay. Next comes about your backspace key. So, upside of the enter key there is a backspace key. See here, there is a backspace key written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is one backspace key. What is the use of a backspace key, children? Why you are using backspace key, children? Backspace key. This key is used to erase a letter to the left of the cursor. Okay, we are using this to erase the letters. Okay. From left side, see we are writing here I am writing one spelling. See for example, I am writing here it is a backspace. What is the spelling of backspace here? What is the spelling of a backspace, children? See it is written on this.
B-A-C-K.
B-A-C-K. Yes, it is B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C. Okay. While typing, children listen. While typing, what I will do, instead of E, if I write it as A, it is a mistake or no?
No.
Instead of E, I will write it as A. While I will typing, by mistakenly, I will write it as a B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-A I will type. Okay. Then A it is a wrong one or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That I have to delete. So we can't use the eraser on our computer. Is we are using eraser here?
No, ma'am.
So that time what you have to do? So that time you have to press this backspace key to delete that A. If you press this, that A will be erased. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we are using this backspace key to delete the numbers or a letters, anything. Okay? We are using this like an eraser. Okay, this is about your backspace key. Next comes about your delete key. This is also used for erase, but this is erases from the left side. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So for backspace key it is erase from the left side and delete key will delete from the right side. Next comes about your caps lock key. Okay. Next comes about your caps lock key. See here, beside this alphabet keys, this is a caps lock key. See here, it is written on this caps lock key. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do, when you press this or you have to turn on, see there is a light will be blink here. See this is a green line. See here, there is a green light will be blinking here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is written A on them. Also no, see a light, it is written A.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this means that your caps lock key is on. So see here, I will just press here. Okay, see here, I will just press here. Okay, I press here. See here, this light will be gone. It is off.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, if I press here caps lock key, it will again blink the green light. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the use of this caps lock key? This key is used to type a capital letters. Okay, to type a capital letters, we have to use this caps lock key. You have to make sure that your caps lock key is on. That is your green light should be on. That time if you type anything, it will come in the form of a capital letters. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you understood all the keys. That is comes about your this and this number keys. Next comes about your alphabet keys, spacebar key, enter key, backspace key.
Kindly.
Next comes about your caps lock key. Yes or no?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Children, mute yourself. Okay, so this is about your keyboard. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will ask you the orally questions. You have to answer me. Okay? See this keyboard and you have to answer me. Okay? See here only. I am showing you the keyboard. In that I will ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Which letter which comes between G and D? Between G and D. You can check here also.
Yes.
What will come?
Yes.
Yes. There is a F letter will come in between your D and F. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question. Which letter comes between I and P? Is it O? Yes. Next, which letter comes between J and L? Yes, it is K. Which letter comes after V? Which letter will come after V? Which letter? Listen carefully, children. Which letter will come after V? It will come as a B. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Next question. Which letter will come after yes?
D.
So it will come as a D. Correct. Which letter comes before R? Before R, which letter it is there? See here. After R means it is T. Before R means it is E. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again. Okay. I will ask you the questions. You have to tell me which key we have to use. Okay. To delete the first letter E in sit. That is CEEAT. Which we are using to delete the letter? Which key we are using? We are using it as the delete key or the backspace key. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, to give space between two words. Which key we are using to give a space between two words? Yes, we are using it as a space bar key. To start a new line or a paragraph, which key we are using?
Enter key.
Yes, we are using it as an enter key. To write your name in capital letters, yes, we are using it as a caps lock key. Yes. Okay. I am the longest key on the keyboard. Which is the longest key? It is spacebar key. I want to type mango in capital letters. Which key should I use to type a capital? Yes, we are using it as a caps lock key. Yes. So you have to tell me now true or false. There are two set of alphabet keys on the keyboard. Is there two set? Yes, there are only. See, there are only one set of alphabet keys. Say though. That's why the statement it is false. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Yes. This is the true statement. Backspace key is used to insert a blank space.
True.
You are using backspace key to give the space between two words.
False. Yes, ma'am.
We are using backspace key to give the space.
No, ma'am.
We are using which key?
Yes, ma'am.
We are using the spacebar key to give the space between two words. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Number keys are used to type the numbers. Is it true?
True. True.
Yes, it is true. There is only one delete key on the keyboard. Is there is only one delete key? There are two delete keys in the keyboard. I will show you here. See. So this is one delete key here. See here it is one delete key. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
This is one delete key. Here one more delete key it is there. It is written as a DEL. This is nothing but a delete key. This is one delete key and this is one delete key. So they are total how much?
Two.
So there is only one delete key on the keyboard. True or false?
False.
Yes, correct. Okay. So in your Fabbook, you have to draw the keyboard. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You make a one notebook, right, for the computer. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In that, you have to make. You have to draw the keyboard. Okay. You have to draw the keyboard and you have to color the number keys, alphabet keys, backspace key, delete key, spacebar key, enter key and the caps lock key with a different color. Okay. For the number key, for example, for number key, if you are using the blue color, for this number key also blue color and for this number key is also blue color. Same color you have to use. Okay. For this alphabet keys, you have to use a different color. From A to Z, only one color. So this is blue. You can use here it as a green. Okay. Next comes about your enter key. For enter key, use next different key which you are not using for your number and the alphabet keys. So use your orange color or red color. It's your choice.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
see, this enter key and this enter key, both this and this enter key, both colors should be the same. All number keys have the same color. This number keys and this number keys have the same color. All alphabets have the same color. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is your activity you have to do in your notebook itself. Not on a page. You have to do in your notebook only.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me.